Hello, my name is Julian Davla. I'm a product owner within Avicii Apps, and today I'll show you our application for the Atlassian Apptoberfest 2022. Our new app, Git for Confluence, is a good fit for DevOps. And before I start the demo, I will give a little bit of context. And I'll start with Git repositories. A Git repository is the single source of truth for a development team and can only be accessed by a limited group of people, which is exactly the way it should be. And we see all kind of files being stored in Git, like source code, architectural design records, design diagrams, you name it. And sometimes, or actually quite often, those files need to be shared outside of the development team. For example, for referencing source code in documentation, or just keeping all the departments informed. And to make it a bit harder, the files in Git are of course updated over time. So what Git for Confluence allows you to do is to share your files in your Git repositories with Confluence users who do not have access to those Git repositories. So let me show you how this works. So I've set up a private repository in GitHub. I've uploaded some files here. And just to demo the app, I'll copy a link address of the file and paste it into a Confluence page. You can see it automatically creates a macro, and it wanted to render the file, but it does not allow me to do that because the file came from a private repository in GitHub. It gives me a notification that this is a private file and must be shared on behalf of someone. So let me do that. And here I can now authorize access to the file. So what I'm doing now is that I'm creating an integration from Confluence to my GitHub account using the OAuth 2.0 flow. And now I can share this file on my behalf. It now renders the file and gives me a preview of the file as well. I can also make this file downloadable. And as you can see, it now shows the file in Confluence. Why this is useful is because it allows you to share files from your single source of truth in Git with people who do not have access to those repositories. Files can be design diagrams or perhaps source code for referencing documentation, and it keeps them up to date from your single source of truth in Git. The app works with public repositories as well. Of course, the authorization isn't required in that case. I've done that with this file here above. Happy Apptoberfest, everyone. And you can see here that it's a public file. So to finish this demo up, there's an audit log available and will soon be adding to that with an admin overview for revoking and migrating consent. And for more information about this app, for example, to see which Git providers and file types are supported, please visit our page in the Atlassian Marketplace. Thank you for watching.